Desert landscapes can be an exercise in extremes. While earth and air are in abundance, other fundamental elements are often conspicuously absent. When it came time to build a new home situated on the mountains course at Bighorn Golf Club in Palm Desert, the owner really wanted to maximize the connection with nature from inside the house. This desire included enjoying the beautiful golf course landscape through the retractable rear doors and the mountains, and sky through the clear story windows in the great room. The only two elements missing were water and fire. The team at Whipple Russell Architects devised skillful plans to integrate this specific request while creating a contemporary desert home that is inviting for overnight guests and entertaining. Two water features anchor the home, creating gestures that blend the structure with its environment and provide a dramatic contrast. The entrance pond and the pool in the rear area mean that from virtually anywhere in the house, you see mountains, nature, water, and fire elements. However, the creation of a new oasis took programmatic and aesthetic priority. After the private street-facing elevation, the house begins to reveal itself, showing its relationship with the site. The entrance pond and fountains set a serene tone. Smooth pathway stones appear to float above the water, establishing a rhythm with vertical ribbon windows enclosing the bedroom wing. Materials such as brown porcelain exterior siding and warm white stucco reference the desert surroundings. Incorporating minimalist sculpture and art, the design remains clean, connecting to the desert and mountains. The multi-purpose great room, containing a spacious kitchen, is capped with a band of clear story windows, bringing in mountain views and additional light from above. The warmth of the engineered walnut paneling adds richness to shared and private zones throughout the 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home. A neutral palette was adopted throughout to let the views speak for themselves. At the core of the house, fully retractable floor-to-ceiling sliding doors further blur the distinctions between interior and exterior. When these doors are open, it feels like one continuous space. The pedestal decking system employed by Whipple Russell Architects maintains a seamless flow through the main room, rear patio, and pool area. This allows the interior and exterior floor finishes to be perfectly level. Instead of sloping for drainage, the porcelain tile flooring surfaces are elevated on adjustable pedestals with open seams for drainage to the subfloor. To bring a strong water element into the primary bathroom, an oversized Calicotta slab-clad rain shower faces the golf green, but appears hidden thanks to carefully composed interventions. Strategically placed, berms and plantings help protect the space and guide the eye across the fairway. The TV room can be fully open, allowing views of the entrance pond to the right, or it can be closed with doors and blackout curtains for a mini cinema experience. There are 3 guest suites. The guest wing can be accessed through a private entrance at the front gate, and each suite has its own patio. Opening the door in any room reveals views of the water between the columns. Despite being private from the street side, all rooms have a view of the water. From virtually anywhere in the house, you see mountains, nature, water, and then fire elements as well.